Chewy, hit the record button. I can't reach it. Get it. You're no good. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to be doing some short reviews on the Polo Ralph Lauren iconic quilted vest. I'm going to do a red, an olive green, a navy, and a sort of check plaid color, a blackwatch plaid I believe they call it. And we'll briefly introduce one of our guests here. His name is Chewy, and he also has a couple bit of dog outfits he may review later on. So stay tuned, this should be good. Everyone, welcome back. Just going to be doing some short reviews on the iconic quilted vest from Ralph Lauren. I have them in several different colors, and I know that they're very popular, so I'm just going to kind of do some takes on in different styles and outfits. You could pair it with different colors. This one right here is a red, and this one is actually gets a lot of attention just because of the brightness of it. And you don't usually see this color vest in the Polo Ralph Lauren quilted. It's kind of hard to find, to be quite honest. So this one is a full zip front. Zips all the way up from bottom almost to the top, but it has a stand-up collar. Stand-up collar has a button and a clasp. You can also kind of button it up all the way to protect your neck and the cold. This one has pretty thick lining. I believe polyester, nylon, and cotton as well. There's no inner pockets on these, unfortunately, but there's still kind of the diamond quilted pattern on the inside. There's also metal buttons on the outside of the vest. These are clasp buttons. These pockets right here kind of pull through buttons, and they're very utilitarian as well. There's pockets behind them as well too, so if you want to just keep your hands warm and still keep them separated from some of your other items, you can. Stand-up collar, because collar always stands straight. There's a tab for your button right there, and once again the pockets are very utilitarian. There's also some vertical pockets here on the breast. Here, so you can put some extra things, or also some people like to just kind of put it like this in a comfortable position, keeping their hands warm. This one just kind of paired with just a basic kind of sweater here. It kind of looks like a winter undergarment sweater. It looks pretty good with the cream. So yes, this is the red. I will do some quick takes on the olive green, the navy blue, and that blackwatch plaid check. And they could pair with different outfits. You could do them casual, you could do a conservative, you could do a sporty, you could put on a hat, some shades, you know, give it a really cool look. So you can mix and match these with several different looks. And we'll just maybe get Chewy in here, see. And Chewy, I don't know, what do you think about the vest? Yay? Nay? Okay. Well, I mean, Chewy's kind of in not such a great mood today, but Chewy is also another great reviewer for dog products. He's going to have a channel up soon, so look out for that. So hang on tight. I'll do some quick takes on the other colors, and you can get a look just how to pair them with different kind of styles. Hey guys, so this is the olive green iconic vest. You could pair it well with a nice kind of white shirt. I have it here actually with another kind of olive green shirt. To just give it some kind of a compliment to its true color. And it fits true to size, so if you're an extra large normally in Polo, recommend getting an extra large in this as well too. Full zip front, stand collar, tab buttons, clasp here. The front facing pockets with pockets in the back. So this one actually I like a lot. I probably wear this one the most just because I like a lot of the natural organic browns and greens and tans and creams and stuff like that. So this is the olive green. And guys, this is the navy blue. I think this one is probably the most versatile of all the colors. You could still make it very conservative, very casual. You could maybe even go to a meeting or something of the sort and something like this. Here I paired it with another Ralph Lauren crested tie with an Oxford shirt and even a tie bar as well too. This one's really nice. It has the corduroy collar. This one has the brass sort of buckle on the collar. Also has metal buttons. Clasp is a full zip. Same front utilitarian pockets here, with pockets behind them. This one has the two buttons on each side of the pockets. They clasp down, they're metal. The back tabs for adjusting the waistline. A little bit of detail there too under the arms. So yeah, this one you could be conservative, you could be casual, you could, nice pair of shades, maybe even a hat at the end of your day. So I find this navy blue to be the most versatile because you can pair it with so many things and use this for so many different events and occasions. And next I will show the sort of check plaid blackwatch. And last but not least, this is a navy and green checkered plaid, blackwatch plaid, I believe as they call it. This one has a unique print. See it up close? Has a corduroy here, sort of collar strap that goes with a brass buckle. This one is also full zip front. Looks nice, I think, with a white shirt. This one's kind of sometimes hard to pair with different things just because of the pattern. It's so distinct. Two buttons in the front, on the pocket behind, buttons on the front. This one has the back tab for adjustments and detail underneath the arms. So this is a unique print. I think it's really good for, say, early spring or maybe even the fall. I think primarily the fall, this looks really great, pairing it up with a few things. And so it could be casual, it could be conservative, but I still think this is more a little bit on the casual side. This kind of feel more as a huntsman type of feel to it. What I will do is throw in one little bonus showing an actual Polo pop-up shirt with the black for those of you who just wear basic kind of short sleeve Polo shirts. And as a bonus, guys, here's just showing what a short sleeve Polo shirt would look like with this. This one's a big pony with the crest, the numbering on the right-hand side. This orange one is in extra large, custom fit, so it fits, really good around the biceps and things like that. Full zip front, buttons, collar, stand-up collar, utilitarian pockets, back tab. Here's behind this. No inside pockets on these, full lining. So yeah, this was just a bonus shot to show you what, if you want to pair this with something a little bit less formal and kind of be on the more sporty side. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell on your top right, and like this video. And also, if you look on my page, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, some other platforms as well. So me and Chewy would like to say goodbye, and until next time, Actually, one more thing. You guys are super polo heads. You could even pair this well with a polo hat with a numbering as well too, number 3. So once again, thanks for joining me, guys. Until next time, this is Men's Lifestyle with Zach Ross. See you later.